Hi, I'm Roger Pettingell, Sarasota's luxury waterfront property specialist, and we have a really special listing today here at the beach residences on Lido Key. So the great thing about this is it is managed by the Ritz-Carlton. It's on Lido Key. It's got the private beach club that is used by members, which has dining, great swimming pool, the tiki bar, all things that are accessible to you if you choose to join the club. If you don't, you can use the amenities of the beach residences, which are myriad. There's a beautiful private swimming pool, a theater, there are guest suites, full-time concierge service, everything you love about living at a Ritz. What I love about this floor plan is the '04 estate floor plan. It's almost 3,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, a den, and an office, and it goes right through the building, so you get direct Gulf and direct bay and city views. Living dining area and open kitchen is so spacious, and the 10-foot ceilings really feel nice in here. Here we are in the master suite. It's a very generous sized rooms with straight on Gulf views. I mean, I can imagine I could be in the sand in 2 minutes. Big walk-in closets, master bathroom, beautiful suite. And look at the size of this guest room. This is east facing, so you're gonna see the sunrise in the morning, overlooking the mangrove trails and the bay and Bird Key. It's so pretty. From the third guest bedroom, you have a gorgeous view back to the city and the bay, but looking down, you can see the community pool. Look, they're your friends and family. This floor plan is even big enough to have a full den. You can watch TV, there's a morning bar, it's got a wine chiller. I'm really excited about this special residence here on Lido Key. If you'd like to see it, give us a call at 941-387-1840 or look online at pettingellprofessionals.com.